Looking for the best pet hair remover roller but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best pet hair remover roller based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. CleanHome CS03 Rose Manual Carpet Sweeper. Imagine being a pet owner, waking up to a carpet covered in last night's hairballs and mystery stains, but then you grab this amazing sweeper and transform your morning routine with ease. With an extra replacement roller, you can keep sweeping without interruption, perfect for households with multiple pets or busy families. The one-click dustbin release is genius. No more scraping out dirt and fur by hand. It's a game-changer for pet owners and allergy sufferers alike. Plus, it's lightweight and quiet, making it ideal for apartments, dorms, and homes with sleeping babies or pets. The fact that it's reusable and easy to maintain is just the cherry on top, making it a must-have for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER Pet Hair Remover. You know that moment when you're vacuuming up after the cat, and it's covered in hair, and you're just pulling off sticky tape trying to get it out of the dustbin, only to have it rip and fall apart? This product is a game-changer for pet owners, with its translucent window showing you exactly when it's full, so you don't get caught off guard. The easy empty latch is a lifesaver. Just press a button, and the door swings open with no mess. And the reusable, sturdy design means no more ripping and throwing away sticky tape. Plus, the rubber grip makes it comfortable to hold, and it picks up dog and cat hair like a pro. Overall, it's a must-have for anyone who's tired of the hassle and frustration of traditional dustbins. Number 3. Marzyciel LR16 Extra Sticky Large Surface Lint Roller. When it comes to lint rollers, we've all used the flimsy ones that fall apart after a few uses or struggle to pick up pet hair. But this one's a game-changer with its extra-large surface area and high sheet count, including 450 sheets, making it perfect for pet owners who struggle with constant shedding. It's also super sticky and easy to peel, saving you a ton of time in cleaning, and the extendable handle lets you reach those hard-to-reach areas like curtains and stairs. Number 2. KeFanta Carpet Rake. This thing gets under your carpet and pulls out hair like it's nobody's business, digging deep with copper tines that are specifically designed to target deeply embedded pet hair, and it does it without scratching the fibers, which is a huge plus if you've got delicate carpets. It's perfect for people who have pets and are tired of vacuuming up the same old hair over and over, and also great for those who want to save their knees and back from the strain of bending over to clean. Overall, a solid 4-star product that's got some great features, including a long handle for easy maneuverability and a double-sided design that lets you tackle all sorts of surfaces with ease. Number 1. BGUP A4P Lint Roller Refills. We've all been there, trying to clean up after a furry friend or dealing with a never-ending mess of pet hair on our furniture. This large lint roller is a game-changer for anyone who's struggled with this problem, offering a significantly larger cleaning surface that cuts cleaning time in half. With 4 rolls of 50 sheets each, you get a whopping 200 sheets to tackle even the toughest messes. The 10-inch wide design allows for efficient cleanup on a variety of surfaces, from furniture to car seats, and the extra strong adhesive ensures a thorough clean every time. It's a breeze to use, too, with a diagonal cut design for easy tear-off, making it perfect for quick cleanups around the house or office. If you're tired of struggling with pet hair and dust, this is a must-have in your cleaning arsenal. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these picks are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.